The YouTube free Hype beta expands into the EU and a couple of other countries. I have listed them for you on the site. Not every user will be able to see the new Hype button. However, every user could see their regional Hype Leaderboard, and here is how you can access it. It's pretty much as hidden as the training page is right now, so unless there's a majority of folks actually knowing what the Hype button does and actually uses the Hype Leaderboard, I don't think you will get any benefits out of the Hype feature at all. It's more of a nice to have thing, but it doesn't affect any of the searchability or discoverability of your videos, so it doesn't really matter. Also, there's no paid Hype feature allowed in the EU as of right now, so you can't even make money off of it. So it's I don't think it's a big deal, but if you do, please feel free to comment below if you like the Hype feature. If you don't like it, let me know and we can discuss about it. While we're talking about paid features, YouTube membership badges now support up to 10 years. So that's 120 months. That's pretty long of a time of someone actually paying for your content, and we actually have people getting close to that. For example, Gnome on my gaming channel has supported me for over 90 months at this point, and he was actually one of the first German viewers that got access to memberships. So shout out at that point, and thank you for supporting me all the time. So if you feel like you want to honor the people that have supported you for that long of a time, you can now upload an anniversary badge for the 10-year anniversary, which is pretty cool. If you have suggestions what we could do for the 10-year anniversary on this channel or on my gaming channel, please feel free to comment them below, and I will happily work on that. And if you want to support us, feel free to do so as well. Subscribing is for free, and if you want to become a member, we would be honored to bring you exclusive content as well. Yeah, if you have any questions about all the stuff I said today or any other potential YouTube topics, feel free to comment them below, and we'll see you next time next week and talk about YouTube again. Take care and bye bye.